Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I'll be reading you a poem called The Meaning of Poetry from the book 55 Poetic Cues, written by Danny Martin Girard. The meaning of poetry. Poetry is a voice, a seemingly once troubled mind who found peace in the midst of chaos, wanting to share his gift to the world. Once fascinated by his thoughts, he could not stop them until he put them on paper and declared what he knew. Poetry is an emotion deep within ourselves, trying to find rest through words and wisdom combined for entertainment. Let's not forget the core of poetry, with making something sound so beautiful but empty. For beautiful words doesn't change the world, but poetry does, with a meaningful and lasting word. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for a new thing I learned on my editing program. I am grateful to have learned a new meditation. And I'm grateful Danny showed me a new channel on YouTube. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening. Have a beautiful day.